In the fifth question, it says a hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeters. Then we have to find the cost of tin plating it on inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 square centimeters. That is the rate of tin plating it is. For 100 square centimeters it is rupees 16. Then we have to find the total cost of tin plating it from inside, and the inner diameter is given 10.5 centimeters. So as you know, it is a bowl. It means there will be only the curved part which is needed to be tin plated from inside. So you can see here there is a bowl with diameter 10.5 centimeters, and then it is asking to find the cost of tin plating it from inside. It means firstly we have to find the curved surface area of inside. So curved surface area is, we know that it is 2 pi r square, but we need r for this, and they have given the diameter is 10.5 centimeters. So firstly we will find r, which is half of it. So 10.5 divided by 2, which will be equal to 5.25 centimeters. So this is the radius. Let's put it here in the formula. So it will be 2 into 22 by 7 into 5.25 whole square. This comes out to be 173.25 square centimeters. So this is the curved surface area of the inner part that needed to be tin plated. So now we can let's find the cost. So cost of tin plating the bowl for 100 square centimeters, the cost is rupees 16. It means the cost of tin plating 1 square centimeter will be rupees 16 by 100, and it means cost of tin plating 173.25 square centimeters of area will be 16 by 100 multiplied by 173.25. The answer comes out to be rupees 27.72. It means rupees 27.72 is the cost of tin plating the bowl from inside.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.